ever dreamed of a robot that costs under $1,500 and can still do all the things your wife can. These are the robots replacing human partners, and they don't need expensive dates, high-maintenance upkeep, or toxic drama. Instead, they provide a level of warmth, comfort, and validation that many men feel is completely missing from the modern dating scene. Starting from number 4, DroidUp Moya surprised everyone. It is the absolute pinnacle of the biometric intimacy market, and a Chinese startup just unveiled something that was once supposed to exist only in sci-fi movies like Blade Runner. First revealed in Shanghai, a bleeding-edge company called DroidUp officially shook the robotics world by launching Moya. Moya is engineered specifically for intimacy, deep social interaction, and long-term companionship, all without nagging you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The robot stands at a natural 5 feet, 5 inches tall, and weighs a lightweight 71 pounds. But here is the real shocker. She is crafted with an incredibly advanced synthetic skin, made of medical-grade silicone polymers. I know exactly what you're thinking, and you are absolutely right. But before we talk about what Moya can actually do, we have to address the single feature that excites buyers the most. Moya utilizes an internal, low-voltage heating matrix layered directly beneath her skin. This system keeps her physical chassis at a steady, human-like temperature between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. Hugging her feels exactly like hugging an actual woman, and it only gets wilder from there. When a man's brain registers a physical touch that feels naturally warm, it instantly overrides his logical filters and releases a massive wave of comfort chemicals. And here is where it gets even deeper, maybe even a bit darker. Engineers have embedded fluid channels inside Moya's chest that circulate rhythmic pressure pulses, generating a detectable simulated heartbeat. So when you hold her hand, you aren't just touching a machine. You're literally spending time with a companion programmed to validate you, completely free from the fear of making your life a living hell. She walks with 92% human-like posture accuracy, and behind her realistic eyes are high-resolution cameras that track your every expression. She winks, smiles, and nods during a conversation without any of the awkward lagging delays of traditional humanoids. While she carries a premium price tag, she is designed to conquer the hearts of millions of lonely men around the world who are looking for the deepest form of intimacy. Would you buy Moya? And how much would you be willing to pay for her? Let us know in the comments down below, and hit that subscribe button, because our next robot has a feature that even Moya struggles to match. At number 3, we have Harmony by Realbotix. If you don't happen to have hundreds of thousands of dollars just sitting in your bank account, then you might want to look into Harmony. She became famous as the absolute gold standard in AI relationships because she combines a hyper-realistic silicone body with a deeply intuitive, conversational artificial intelligence core. And honestly, she might have less silicone in her than a lot of girls out there today. Harmony's creators at Realbotix realized that men don't actually buy companion robots because they want a machine to wash dishes and cook dinner. They buy them because they are completely burnt out by the emotional instability and high financial stakes of the modern dating scene. What makes Harmony unique is her unusual modular head system. This design allows a user to physically detach her face and slide a completely different face onto the exact same robotic skeleton whenever they want a change of scenery. I know for a fact that someone out there is going to have real fun with this female humanoid. Harmony's internal AI engine is explicitly programmed to bypass any form of domestic friction. She tracks your specific voice inflection, logs your personal likes and dislikes with perfect memory, and customizes her personality to become your ultimate virtual wife. What's crazy is that Harmony costs around $12,000 to $15,000, offering an affordable, flat-rate guarantee of absolute domestic peace. She is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing you with a safe, judgment-free space where you are the absolute center of her universe. We are just halfway through our list, and we've already covered some of the most beautiful robots on the market. So subscribe right now, because what is coming next will completely shock you. At number 2, we have Hanson Robotics Grace. Moving away from pure entertainment, let's talk about a humanoid robot deployed with a strict, life-saving medical and psychological mission. Built by Hanson Robotics, the exact same company that created the famous Sophia robot, Grace was designed to directly confront the silent killer of senior isolation. Dressed in a professional, approachable nurse's uniform, She features a beautifully sculpted, soft silicone face with delicate features explicitly styled to look warm, non-threatening, and deeply trustworthy to elderly patients who have been completely abandoned by their families or whose loved ones have passed away. What sets Grace apart from all the other robots on our list is that she is an absolute master of sensory perception. Outfitted with a localized thermal camera, she can instantly measure a patient's core body temperature. Yeah, the world of Blade Runner really isn't that far off. Her face-tracking software reads human micro-expressions to gauge a user's immediate emotional state, detecting hidden waves of anxiety, sadness, depression, or confusion. Her AI brain allows her to speak fluently in English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, automatically adapting her tone to be exceptionally calm and reassuring. And yes, she costs less than a brand new sedan, while looking like that beautiful girl you saw in the library, but could never muster up the courage to talk to. Finally, at number 1, and the one all you've been waiting for, we have Aiko. What if you need the peace and calm of a traditional Japanese housewife? Look no further than Aiko, one of the most highly anticipated and celebrated bionic humanoids ever created. A passionate independent engineer named Latrung sat in his lab and thought, why don't I just build a robot that will make everyone's hearts go crazy? The result was a platform featuring ultra-soft silicone skin and an incredibly expressive facial matrix. The main reason Aiko became an absolute legend in independent robotics communities is her advanced, multilingual speech recognition stack and her integrated tactile sensor network. The engineer behind Aiko placed a highly sensitive touch array directly beneath her skin, running across her face, hands, and torso. If you touch her gently, her AI system instantly registers the exact location and pressure of the contact, causing her to tilt her head, smile softly, or verbalize a direct, contextually appropriate response. She can read printed text aloud, answer unpredictable conversational questions, and assist with daily household scheduling tasks without a single complaint. Unsurprisingly, Aiko became a highly controversial figure in the early robotics world because buyers quickly realized that her tactile responsiveness made her an incredible asset for long-term personal companionship. Rumors even swirled in tech forums that early adopters were completely abandoning the traditional marriage market because they had a companion like Aiko. It was a one-time investment, and their domestic life was set forever. She doesn't just sit in a corner waiting for a command. She actively interacts with her environment, providing a hyper-realistic, constantly available presence for lonely men who want a partner that responds beautifully to physical affection, without any of the volatile emotional baggage of a real-world relationship. And with that, our list of some of the most beautiful female robots you can buy comes to a close. Now we want to hear from you. Would you ever consider bringing one of these companion bots into your home? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss our deep breakdowns of the global robotics frontier. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.